It's starting to rain!
Perfect weather for a drive.
I love this! This is smelling wonderful.
Almost there, just a few more miles.
I can't wait to eat! The tea's ready! Yay, tea!
Smells wonderful.
It's so peaceful. Wow, rain!
We'll keep going.
Here's some hot tea, dear.
Ah, perfect. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. It smells nice. Here's some hot tea to warm you up. Thank you, Mom. It smells so good. Enjoy, sweetie. A storm's coming fast. Wow, lightning!
Everyone hold on tight.
Ramen's almost ready. It smells so good.
Perfect day for it.
Come and get it. Coming! Here, have some ramen.
Mmm, delicious. Thanks, hon.
Yummy! Okay, ramen's ready. Yay, it smells so good.
Save some for me.
Of course, eat up. Here you go, dear.
Thanks, honey. Smells great.
I'm hungry too.
All right, we're here. Perfect spot.
Wow, it's so pretty. It really is.
Okay, time to unpack. Time to get these on the grill.
They look great. Yay, I can't wait.
Almost
Smells
ready.
Amazing. This is perfect.
It is.
Can we roast marshmallows?
Of course. Let's enjoy the sunset. Let's get them roasting.
They're getting golden. So yummy.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you, Papa. This is delicious.
The best by the lake.
We should head back.
Right. I'll get the van ready.
I had so much fun. We're almost home.
Just in time, it's pouring.
I see the lights.